isn't very ripe.
What are you putting in there?
I put in the
Strawberries?
It's very cold. That's very cold.
Very cold. Are they frozen?
It's frozen. Oh, it's too cold.
Okay. Did you want it?
Sure.
P-Joy?
Sure. What's Grandma putting? What's Grandma
Put that
got for
in
you
there.
to put in there now?
What is this?
Peach.
Okay, put it in there.
How many pieces of peach are you putting in now?
Do you want 5? Do you want 5? Do you want 5? Do you want 5?
1.
No.
Oh, you don't want that one? You want to put it in there?
No.
No, that's all she wants.
Just 5, Grandma.
Grandma, big seed.
We have the seeds. Want some of this in it?
I don't care. Do whatever you do. Just
Help
don't
me
make it
pour it.
frothy.
Help me pour it. Hold it down here.
We'll make it together. We'll make it together.
Okay, we'll make it together.
We'll make it together.
There's orange juice in there too.
You want the juice in it instead of milk?
Yes.
Lots of pulp, some pulp.
Lots of pulp. Some pulp. I don't care. Whatever there's more of.
Want you, Grandma?
Mm-hmm. Here. You gonna pour it in? You gonna pour it? Here. Help Grandma pour it.
My juice.
Drink it.
We can.
Don't drink it yet.
How much ice we're gonna need for frozen strawberries.
Grandma?
Can you help me pour some ice in there?
I.
She should be able to do it. Why don't you pick up the whole cup and dump it in there?
I don't know if we want that many. Okay. Anything else in it?
I don't think so.
No more ice. And the more. Want some more pen?
Some more what?
Some more.
Okay, we have to. Let's blend it.
She helped me blend the egg, beat the egg yesterday.
Okay, go over here. Hold on. You help me turn it on? Okay, flip the switch up. Put it up. There you go. Turn that. You turn it more?
Turn it all the way to the right.
Turn it some more. Turn it more. The other way. More. Here, have a taste.
How is
What do you think? Is it good? Let's look at it. Come over here.
I haven't tasted it yet. I don't know. Some of her expressions are a lot like Alton.
Here. Okay. Tell Mommy, what do you think? Tell her, is it good or bad?
Bad.
Oh no!
What do you think?
I didn't taste it.
Who wants to after that?
Do you think it tastes good?
What do you think?
Let me see.
What do you think?
I think it tastes good.
I think it tastes good.
Hey, let's taste it again. What do you think?
What do you think?
Is it yummy? Or is it yucky?
It's icky.
Do you think it tastes, hey, did it taste yummy?
What do you think?
Are we all done? What did we make? Lily?
Movie.
A smoothie.
Can I please ask you where you put